Hello. This is going to be a very brief video, very specific on crystals, the earth energies, sacred geometry, and the grids of light. This is titled Accessing the Spiritual Energy of the Earth Using Sacred Geometry and Crystal Grids. I was basically guided to do this video, to share this information as it stands at the moment. I haven't been on YouTube very long. You'll see videos haven't got that many views. That's fine. I'm sure it's going to build. I'm sure the approach and technique is going to improve. I'm not going to let it get me disheartened. But I say that because I didn't plan to do this. It's so funny how spirit works, how my guides work. Today it is the spring equinox, and last night the connection I had with spirit was very, very strong, very, very profound. And I have to just share this information. People may know about crystal grids. They may not understand how it connects with sacred geometry. So that's basically what I'm going to show in my next picture. As you can see, it's very simple. Just got crystals with those were runes on there, sacred runes, but don't worry about that. And you just put the crystals in a circle formation, and then if you've got enough, you need to do another one and put a triangle shape within the circle. The circle represents the masculine energy, and the circle represents the feminine energy, and the triangle represents the masculine energy. And what it's all about is it's really all about a spiritual synthesis, bringing the energies from the heavens down to the spiritual energies of the earth and allowing them to synthesize, coming together, creating us, human, angel, man, earth, alien, whatever you want to call our next evolutionary state. But, something's definitely occurring. The light is definitely increasing. The frequency is definitely getting higher. The vibrations are definitely getting faster. The density is definitely getting thicker, brighter. And it's intense, I can't really say any more than that. But this is really to make people know that, yes, there are the Earth's chakra points, where different sacred sites like the pyramids of Giza, the Turin, Glastonbury, Stonehenge, Mount Shasta, all of these are like chakra points of the Earth's energy, but they have other meridian points, and these are all like, the ley lines. Those who are spiritually and genetically, connected with that kind of higher order, with the earth, would be able to use what I'm showing and have the correct level of sensitivities to be able to connect to the energy of the earth. And you'd have to just kind of like do your prayers, connect with your guides. You have to have a kind of spiritual connection. It's not going to take you into any like Ouija board or dark places. This is sacred stuff. And that's why I was very reserved about putting it out there, because I know how sacred it is. But my guides were like, no, the internet is definitely a way that we share information. We get that information out there. There may be people out in America that this video reaches, and they weren't aware that, you don't have to go to sacred sites or whatever to tap into that energy and tap into that power. You can tap into that Earth's grid and ley lines through connecting with the crystals and doing a crystal formation, a crystal grid. And just imagine if there was more and more people who are supposed to be connecting and supposed to be sending that healing and that love and that compassion and gratitude, sending it to the earth and sending energy waves from one side of the planet to the other, just using that crystal grid matrix. It would be fascinating. So as I'm speaking, I can kind of see the potential as why more and more people need to be aware of this. There are other shapes as well. You know, again, it's very sacred. This is the only one that I'm sharing for now, because I think it's a new dawn, it's a new day. Not only is it the spring equinox, tomorrow is also a super new moon. So definitely times for a new start. And just to kind of demonstrate, you see that I've got that candle in the middle. It's not lit. That is how this grid contains energy. Yes, I played about with the contrast and whatnot, but the brightness, the intensity of the flame, the power, energy, and magic that, you know, you can harness through working with the crystals, through working with sacred geometry in this way is it's intense, you know. And I'd just like to direct you to another video that I made on the universal laws, on the law of correspondence, as above so below. In there's a little bit more of an explanation as to why, you know, people should understand how to work with crystals and how they're vital in order to connect with the other levels of spirit. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.